Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a magical addition to any Harry Potter fan's bedroom decor. We're talking about the Nursery Decor Baby Laundry Large Hamper Basket, the perfect blend of functionality and Wizarding World charm. This isn't just any laundry basket, it's a must-have for Harry Potter enthusiasts. Whether you're sorting laundry or storing toys, this basket brings a touch of Hogwarts right into your home. Made from natural linen and cotton fabric with a waterproof PE coating, it's durable and easy to clean. Plus, its collapsible design makes it super convenient for storage when not in use. Now, let's talk about the design. It features classic Harry Potter elements like the famous heart patterns that fans adore. Whether you're Gryffindor, Slytherin, or just love all things magical, this basket is a statement piece. What I love most is its versatility. It's not just a laundry basket, it doubles as a toy bin, nursery hamper, or even storage for baby products. Perfect for any room in the house, from the nursery to the living room. Now, comparing it to other similar items, its quality stands out. With reinforced stitching and a sturdy build, it's designed to last. And priced at mentioned price, it's a steal for Potterheads looking to spruce up their space. What sets this apart? It's the attention to detail. From the double-sided handles for easy lifting to the artistic heart design that's both cute and clear. Every aspect is crafted with Harry Potter fans in mind. Now, let's address shipping concerns. While it's currently available in select locations, it's worth checking compatibility before purchase if you're outside the US. Wrapping up, whether you're shopping for yourself or looking to gift a fellow Potterhead, this hamper basket is a surefire way to bring a bit of magic into your everyday life. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay magical.